Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make some stuff. So today's video is going to be the most requested video. That is, it's going to be my desk tour. Enjoy watching. Here we go guys. Let's start with this beautiful pen stand which I made out of waste plastic bottles. So instead of throwing all the wastage and spoiling the environment, you can do something like this, very productive. And here we go with the highlighters actually. So I don't want to keep the pens plain. So that is the reason I always decorate all my pens with a beautiful stuff, all these things. So here we go. I have used camera pen toppers to decorate these highlighters. I'll also give the link in the description box. If you want to try, you can please go ahead and watch the entire video and try and decorate your pens. So the very most beautiful part of this highlighter is like it is erasable. Can't you believe? It is actually erasable. You just have to use it as a normal highlighter, and at the back of the highlighter you will have a tip to erase it. So I did not believe it, but then wow, it works awesome. So this is the most most exciting I felt. So this actually works. This is so cute, right? Yeah, this is how it works. And right, if you want, you can also try with this toppers. All this cute. Instead of having your pen as plain, you can actually go ahead and try something like this. Wow, it actually looks so cool, right? Awesome. So yep, it's actually very strong and I have been using it for the past 5 to 6 months. It looks so cool. And here we go for the next item. So this you saw which is in a cylindrical shape, and this is a rectangular one. It's like a square. So these are my few pen collections which I have bought it in my local store. It was around 19 to 20 rupees. It's less than 20 rupees. I actually don't remember the price, but it's actually below 20 rupees. So if you see, right, we have duck pens, unicorn and candy topper, and all this looks actually so cute, right? I liked it so much. So let me know. I have so many collections like this. Let me know if you want to see my stationery collection, pen collection. So I'll be glad to do it for you. And the next part is my daily planner. So planning is very important for the school students. Here we go for the planner. So we have a date option here, and you can just give whatever the date you want and mood how you feel today. I'm happy today actually. There is also a water tracker where you can just track how many liters of water you drank, how many bottles of water you drank today. It is actually very important, and then you can note what are all the important points. So I wanted to make a dust tour, do editing, crafting, and all the school works, homeworks. You can make a note of it and you can follow it. So here we go. This is the most lovable part of my desk. I just love doing this, and it is also erasable. So whenever I don't want to use so many sticky notes, put money on it, waste it. So if I have this thing, right, it's one is sufficient for me, and I can erase it whenever I want. So we are done with this. And then we have some pen stand and some cute teddy bears. Let's go in detail and see what I have. So here we have some cute purple teddy. Wow, it's actually so cute, right? It's not just teddy, it's an eraser come sharpener. So you can sharp your pencils from this end, and you can erase the same from the another end. So here is a purple teddy bear, and the next one is yellow teddy eraser and purple teddy eraser, and here is from pink teddy cute eraser for us. So fruity these are just I just loved it a lot. So the next part is like something special. I made it out of a fruity packets. Like we have 10 rupees fruity packets which we throw it right after use. You can do it, and it is actually space saving. You can fold it when you don't have much space horizontally. You can fold it vertically. You can make it. You can just move it around your desk, you can play with it, and this is something cool, right? Instead of you having it in the same place, you can just move it and play with it. So here I kept some of my brush pens, which are Camlin brush pens I use. I am fond of calligraphy. That is the reason this section is full of calligraphy, which you are seeing here on the top. So the next section is also Camlin brush pens, where I have of different colors. And the next section are stick pens of colors, and this is a correction pen, which is actually important. And here we have some Cinderella pen eraser. So this is so cool, right? You can change the color of your eraser by moving it tips to bottom and up. It's actually so cool. So I just found a unique stationery items. Comment if you want to know more of my stationery collections, eraser collections and sharpener collections. I'll be good to do it for you. So this is a Cinderella pen eraser, which is so cute, right? So this is actually cute. So here we go. For the next thing is like my calligraphy pens of different tip sizes. If you see here, this I can use for mandala art, calligraphy or whatnot, everything, right? So here we have calligraphy pen of tip size 2.0, 3.0 and 1.0. These are actually so cute. If you want, I'll drop the link in the description box. If you wish to buy, you can go ahead and buy it. And the next section is like my desk, a cute mini desk which I have made out of this LED bulb boxes. It's a simple boxes, right? It's simple copper boxes. In this section I have some cute erasers. So you can see here I have Dom's erasers. This one my friend has gifted me, and the other two is lipstick erasers, which are really cool for the girls, right? So here we go. This is a Mickey Mouse lipstick eraser, and the other one is Cinderella Mickey Mouse lipstick erasers. So this I have bought it for around 11 rupees. Yeah, I think I have bought it for around 11 rupees. So that's it for in this section. Let's see what we have in the next section. I have some paper clips, colors of paper clips, pins, notice board pins, all this stuff I have. So instead of keeping it clubbed and merging all those things, I just had a divider and I just aligned it properly so that I can pick whatever I want. So the next section we have is some sharpener. So this is a cute duck sharpener which I got as a gift 6 years ago. So that was really cute, and it is, I love that duck sharpener so much. And this is like a sharpener cum cleaner cum eraser. I think everyone must have this. Comment me if you have it. Okay, in this section I have some small things like a paper cutter. This is a cute paper cutter which I use for unboxing, and cello tape, transparent tape, scissors, stapler and stapler pins and Fevikwik I have in this section. Okay, that's so cool. And this is my desk section of pens and some eraser kind of stuff. Let's see what we are going to see the next. Yeah, so our next section is going to be the marker section. So I have a daily planner, right? For that I need some markers. So I have here some markers which I have bought 5 markers for 100 rupees from online. I'll give the description of this also in the description box. If you want, please check out. That's so cool, right? So we have purple, green, orange, black. This red is a permanent marker which I don't use usually. I'll use it rare. And then we have one pink marker in that. So this is actually a soap box which I have just added some color paper to it, and I'm using it as a pen stand. And the next one is so this is a Cinderella pen which I have bought in my local stores for rupees 15. This also looks cool, right? So I just love this kind of stuff. Comment if you want to know more about my stuff, stationery collection, pen collection, and also this is another pen which is again gifted to me by my cousin. and that was actually cool. So this is a pencil topper I made out of a newspaper. So we will have a newspaper cuttings for the children's page in the newspaper, right? So I just cutted it, added some cardboard back of it, and then I just simply using it like a pencil topper. Instead of having your boring pencils with you, you can go ahead and do some kind of creative stuffs like this. And here we go, we have some cake toppers, and that's all. And yeah, in the next section we have is like again my handmade pen topper collection. So this is a Hello Kitty toppers, which is actually very cute. If you want, you can also try. I'll give the link in the description box of making it. And next we have some cake pen topper, and here is some transparent circle butterfly toppers. This is actually very cool, and yeah, I'll give the description of how to make this as well. Please go ahead and watch if you like to make it. And next is the very beautiful part coming over is my scissors collection and cutter collection. So this is a normal cutter which I use for unboxing, and this is also a normal cutter which I use for unboxing and cutting cardboard because it looks a bit stronger. And I have here pattern scissors. It's actually very cool. I'll also show you how to work with it. So here we go. Take some paper, take a scissor, and you can just see how. So manually, if you want to cut it with a normal scissor, it won't come with that perfection, right? This is actually so cool. See the edges and finishing of it. It looks awesome, right? So yeah, so let's see with another pattern scissor how it works. This is something very designer and gives a fashion look to it, right? So if you want to make journals, washi tape for that, I think you can go ahead for this scissors. I'll also give this product link in the description box. This I have bought it for only ₹50 in the Flipkart, but I don't know what is the cost now. I used some super coins to buy that, so that is the reason I got it for the ₹50. And this is another pattern which we are going to try. This is also awesome. So this actually looks very cool. If you are going to make handmade cards, I think you can go for it. Definitely I'll recommend this. Awesome, right? So yeah, this is so cool. So post this, we are going to have this plastic scissor, which is again a unique stationery for me. So whatever edge you are seeing here, right? So it is removable, you can change it. So here I got some extra patterns with this plastic scissor. So this I have bought it in some mall. I actually don't remember the name. So what you can do is like you can remove the edges, you can remove that pattern, and you can add another pattern to the same scissors. So let's see how it works. It's actually very tight. Okay, let me try it once again. It's actually very tight to pull it, but then yeah, I'm stronger. Yeah. Okay, so let's insert another pattern of scissors to see how it works. Yep, here we go. Wow, it got fixed, right? Let's try how this works. This also looks cool. I thought if this is a plastic one, right? I thought it will not be that much as we are expecting, but then it looks actually cool. That's actually cool. These are my pattern scissors, cutters, and all these collections. And let's see what is next going to be is a tape dispenser. So this is actually I have bought it for ₹60 from D-Mart. This actually works cool as of now, and this is a cute glass flower which my brother has gifted it to me, and I really love this a lot. So I basically don't prefer buying organizers, pen stands from shops or online. I don't want to waste money over it. So what I think is like all these things we can create on your own in your home by doing it with your own hands, right? So I would love to recommend you all to follow all these things and try to create your own cute desk space, and you can have fun with a low budget, all the stuff. So I would love you to recommend all these things. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and do let me know your ideas in the comment box, and I'll definitely try that. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.